Now it's okay. Now I can fix drum set here. We have to fix properly this one. Here this roller, it should go inside, otherwise it's not fixing properly. Because of that, we have to fix here this way. This roller should go here. After that only we can fix properly. Both sides it should be like that. Now it's okay. Now we can keep here balance, proper balance it should come. Here these two locks, this lock it should come here, other lock also it should come here. Now it is, you can see here, it's properly fixed. Now I can give here floating switch connector, also drain pump. Now it's okay. You can turn and check also, it's not touching anywhere. It's come like that. You can see it's very smoothly running. After fixing properly, other side we can fix the belt, otherwise still we are not able to fix the belt here. Water container cup here, it will come like that. It will come like that. You can see. Also other pipe also we have to fix. From the drain pump line, it should go to the up. That's mean here. You can see here it should go to the up. That's mean the water container. This one offload tube. This one it should come to the down. This will go to the direct sump. Will fix it like that. First I will fix two screws. The one is here. Also other one here. It's come like that. Now we have to fix here drain cup. This tube will come here. It's like that. Also this one coming from out. It will come here lock. Also it's like that. Coming here, it will go to the direct drain pump. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix two screws. Now it's okay. Here it's two locks coming, this side and this side. It will come to here. After that, very easy to fix here. It will come like that. All the nuts will come to same place. Screws already fixed everything. Here now we can turn and check it's touching or not. It's not touching anywhere. Now we can fix here belt. Now dear friends, I can fix here V belt, otherwise drum belt. Here you can see it will come like that. Here like that, very easy to fix belt. Here like that. Now it's okay. Now no any abnormal noise. Now we can fix here main control board. This is the connector. You can fix like that. Also You can keep this one. Here one lock here. This lock it should be here. After that we have to fix one screw. Yes. This one we have to enter here. This is programming connector here. Now it's okay. Fix side covers. Both side covers we have to fix. Also, while we are fixing the side covers, it should come here. You can see lock, this lock, and we can fix by that lock will come. After that we have to fix here back of all the screws. Now it's okay. Now again we will check is roller rotating or not properly. It's rotating properly, no issue. You can see here. Now other side cover also we can fix. As same, we have to fix properly. Here while we are going to fix the water dryer cover, here it's lock come. It's like that. After that only this screw we can fix properly. Now we have to fix that screw. Yes, now it is okay. You can see here this lock should come properly, otherwise we are not able to fix this one also. Now here two locks will come. Also here also one. Now it's okay. Now we have to fix this bracket. Here it will come this lock properly. We have to fix. After that it will go to here. It's like that. Now it's okay. Don't forget, you have to fix that one properly. To fix this bracket, here it will come lock. You can see here, the both sides are same. Here also one lock will come here. Now it's okay. Here it will come like that. Here we have to fix one screw. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws we have to fix. Also here also both sides it should be. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Now we have to fix only the. Now we have to fix front panel, front cover. It's not touching. Yes, my dear. Now we will fix here front cover with the door. Here it will come like that. You can see. Here locks it should come. You can see properly. Now it will come. But before fixing, we have to fix the here door lock. This is the door lock harness. This one we have to fix. Don't forget, this is display cover. Now I can close here. It will come. Only two screws only with the door, but any other it will come with the body here. You can see it is also, all the screws should be stainless steel. It's not coming rusty. Because of that, anyway, we will fix first these two screws. It's okay. Yes, dear, it's okay. All the screws I already fixed now with the front panel. Now you can see. Now we have to keep up this one. Now what I'm going to do, I have to fix here display PCB cover. We have to take this harness, we have to take from here. Now we can fix like that. Yes, it will come like that. Here locks coming there, because of that very careful we have to do this job. Now it's okay. Now here you can see here three screws which will come, 1, 2, 3. Now I have to fix that 3 screws. Now it's okay. Now you can see, dear friends, almost our job completed. Now we have to fix display panel. Display panel is lock. Here these 2 locks, the 4 locks are will come. We have to keep like that and press. Now you can see we can fix here. This is the connector. I fixed already. Now you can see it will come like that. You can see, dear friends. After that, only we have to fix this screw here. Now it's okay. After fixing these 3 screws, we have to fix this cover lock, and also water container, water drawer. We have to fix like that. This one we have to close. You can see here, it is already mentioned here up. It's like that. You can see here. After that, we can lock. Also, we can fix cover. That one also it's locked. So one side we can keep like that. After that, it automatically will come. Now it's okay. Now after giving power, we can check the machine if it's running properly or not. Now finally, I'm going to fix filter also here. It is clean already, no any lints. We'll check one time. Yeah. Now I'm selecting here cupboard. I will start the machine. Here, dear friends, you can see here, I didn't fix the top cover because I have to check. Now machine start already. No any abnormal noise. The drain pump also, you can hear the noise. It's working properly. No any abnormal noise. Now I have to fix only top cover. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.